Hi, I'm Dr. Naidale. Fungal infections are one of the most common infections of our skin. These fungal infections can be very itchy and annoying. These fungi can be found everywhere in our environment, like on the soil, in our household environment, or even on our skin. But what causes this fungal infection is when there is an excessive number of these fungi on our skin, then it can lead to fungal infection. And why this happens? When there is weakening of our immune system, or when our skin is very unclean or moist environment, that can lead to increase in the fungal number. So keeping our skin clean and keeping it dry is very important to prevent the fungal infection. India is a tropical country and summers in India are very hot and humid, which can lead to excessive sweating. This moist environment will lead the fungus to grow abundantly and can cause fungal infections. Fungal infections of our skin can occur in various parts of our body, like athlete's foot or jock itch or ringworm. These are some of the common infections of our skin. These fungi grow best when there is a warm and moist environment, like people who wear tight shoes, who don't change their socks very frequently, or in the genital area, inner thighs area, where there is always the sweat and moist, which can help the fungus grow abundantly. Fungal infections are very contagious. They can spread from one person to another person either directly or through indirectly through fungal contaminated objects. They can also spread from infected animals or contaminated soil and surfaces. To prevent them, especially during summer, maintain good hygiene, wear loose cotton clothes, keep your skin dry and avoid scented products. Yes, it's very normal to sweat a lot during summers. Sweating is your body's way of cooling itself down. Try to stay more hydrated if you're sweating a lot during summer. Excessive underarm sweating is also called as axillary hyperhidrosis. It's a very common problem faced by a lot of people. This can be due to various reasons, like it can be hereditary or side effects of certain medications, because of menopause, thyroid disorders, nervous system disorders, or any infections, diabetes. All this can lead to excessive underarm sweating. No, the use of antiperspirants will not cause sweating. In fact, they help in reducing the sweat. These antiperspirants contain aluminum-based compounds which in fact temporarily block the sweat pores, reducing the amount of sweat to reach the skin, thereby reducing the sweating. Stinky underarms, also known as bromhidrosis, is a very common problem. This can happen to a lot of people because of there is a mix of sweat and bacteria in the skin. Factors such as hormonal changes, diabetes, certain foods, or stress can cause this condition. It is also more common during pregnancy, ovulation, and menopause. To reduce the underarm odor, maintain good hygiene by washing underarms regularly. You can include benzoyl peroxide based washes for your underarms, and also you can include the antiperspirants in your routine and wear breathable fabrics like cotton. Additionally, you can consider laser hair reduction or shaving your underarms regularly. There is no permanent treatment as such, but there is a semi-permanent treatment called Botox. This can significantly reduce the sweating and give a long-lasting results for up to 6 months. You might need a follow-up injections later on as the effect wears off, but this gives us long-lasting effect than any other treatment.